Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this troubleshooting guide for DTC P2651, which indicates that there's a problem with the rocker arm oil pressure in a 2023 or newer Honda Accord. This diagnostic trouble code means that the reading from the rocker arm oil pressure sensor remains low when the rocker arm oil control solenoid is activated. The Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, recognizes this irregularity and subsequently stores the error code. The rocker arm oil pressure sensor plays a crucial role in oil management within the engine, ensuring that adequate pressure reaches the rocker arms for optimal engine performance. Located near the rocker arm oil control valve, this sensor must relay accurate pressure data to the PCM to adjust the oil flow and maintain engine efficiency. Let's dive deeper into the error description and how it can impact engine performance. The error code P2651 signifies that the rocker arm oil pressure sensor output remains low even when the rocker arm oil control solenoid is engaged. This sensor is integral to managing the variable valve timing and lift electronic control (VTEC) system, which enhances engine performance by adjusting valve timing. When functioning correctly, it allows the PCM to receive accurate pressure readings and make timely adjustments. The rocker arm oil pressure sensor is typically found near the rocker arm oil control valve, which is responsible for directing oil flow to the rocker arms. If the pressure is too low, it can lead to inadequate lubrication of engine components, resulting in poor performance, increased wear, or potential engine damage. Understanding its role and location provides insight into why this trouble code might activate. Several factors can trigger the P2651 error code. Primarily, a faulty rocker arm oil pressure sensor may fail to relay the correct information to the PCM, which may be the first component to examine during troubleshooting. Additionally, clogged oil passages within the VTEC system can disrupt oil flow, leading to a drop in pressure readings. Debris in the system can hinder oil flow to critical engine parts, impacting performance. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning rocker arm oil control valve, which manages the supply of oil to the rocker arms. Each of these components plays a vital role in ensuring proper oil pressure. So understanding these possible faults is essential for effective troubleshooting. When the P2651 code is present, drivers may notice several symptoms affecting vehicle performance. One of the most common indicators is decreased engine performance, which can manifest as reduced acceleration or power. This is often due to insufficient oil pressure, which affects various engine functions. Another visible symptom is the illumination of the engine warning light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to potential issues requiring immediate attention. Additionally, unusual noises, such as ticking or knocking sounds from the engine, may occur if the rocker arms are not receiving adequate lubrication. Recognizing these symptoms early on can lead to timely diagnosis and repairs, preventing further damage to the engine. For the first troubleshooting step regarding DTC P2651, you need to start the engine and hold the engine speed at 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, while the vehicle is in either the park, P, or neutral, N position. This step is crucial because maintaining a specific RPM allows for the VTEC system to engage. Keep the engine at this speed until the radiator fan activates, which usually occurs as the engine heats up. Once you've confirmed that the radiator fan turns on, you can reduce the engine speed and let it idle. This procedure sets the stage for subsequent tests, as it ensures the vehicle is operating under conditions where the PCM can effectively assess VTEC functionality. In the second troubleshooting step, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to conduct a VTEC test. This test assesses the operational status of the VTEC system by checking various electronic parameters and sensor outputs. Monitoring values from the rocker arm oil pressure sensor during this phase is essential, as it helps determine if the sensor is responding correctly to changes in oil pressure. If the HDS indicates that the sensor performs outside of normal ranges, it may confirm that the rocker arm oil pressure sensor is faulty. Performing this test not only validates the sensor's functionality, but also pinpoints potential issues within the system more effectively. For the third troubleshooting step, check the engine oil level to ensure it is within the specified parameters. Insufficient oil can directly affect the rocker arm oil pressure and lead to the P2651 code. Furthermore, inspect the condition of the engine oil. Dirty or degraded oil can impede flow and create blockages, compromising overall performance. It's also necessary to verify that the engine oil being used meets the manufacturer's viscosity requirements, as incorrect oil viscosity can significantly affect engine operation. Ensuring all these factors are optimized helps rule out issues related to oil supply that might trigger the DTC. In this fourth troubleshooting step, focus on inspecting the rocker arm oil pressure sensor itself. Start by verifying that all electrical connections to the sensor are secure and free from corrosion or damage. A loose or frayed wire can lead to inaccurate readings, triggering the P2651 code. Additionally, perform resistance checks on the sensor, as a malfunctioning sensor may exhibit readings outside of the specified range. If the sensor's performance is not within the expected limits, it may need replacement. Documenting your findings during this step will provide important insight into whether the sensor is the root cause of the problem. The fifth troubleshooting step involves inspecting the VTEC system oil passages. It's crucial to check for any clogs, debris, or foreign materials that might obstruct oil flow. Such blockages can prevent the proper functioning of the VTEC system and lead to low pressure readings. If you discover any debris in the oil passages, it's important to clean them thoroughly to restore appropriate oil flow. This not only ensures the rocker arms receive enough lubrication, but also enhances the VTEC system's performance. Keeping these passages clean is vital to prevent recurring trouble codes and protect engine integrity. In the sixth troubleshooting step, you'll need to examine the rocker arm oil control valve. If prior checks on the oil pressure sensor and oil passages have come back normal, the control valve may be to blame. Look for any signs of operational issues, such as sticking or failure to open and close as needed, which can severely impact oil delivery to the rocker arms. If you find that the valve is not functioning properly, it will need replacement to resolve the issue, triggering the P2651 code. Ensuring that all components in the VTEC system are operating optimally is crucial for maintaining engine performance. After completing all necessary repairs, the final step is to verify that the issues have been resolved. Start by clearing the diagnostic trouble code from the powertrain control module, PCM, using the HDS. This step resets the system and allows you to monitor the engine's performance without previous faults impacting the readings. Next, conduct a thorough road test to assess whether the repairs successfully eliminated the underlying issues. During this test, pay attention to engine performance, any warning lights, and abnormal noises. After the road test, check for any recurrence of the DTC, ensuring that the vehicle operates correctly within normal parameters. To avoid encountering the P2651 trouble code in the future, adhere to a preventive maintenance schedule. Regular oil changes are crucial as they prevent the buildup of sludge and contaminants, ensuring optimal engine performance. Additionally, periodically inspect the VTEC system to ensure that all components are clean and functioning properly, preventing clogs that could disrupt oil flow. Regularly monitoring engine oil pressure can help identify issues before they escalate. By adopting a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance, owners can significantly reduce the risk of engine problems related to oil pressure, leading to enhanced reliability and performance. In conclusion, the DTC P2651 error code indicates a problem with the rocker arm oil pressure system in the Honda Accord 2023 onwards. Understanding the components involved, such as the rocker arm oil pressure sensor and control valve, is essential for effective diagnosis. By following a systematic troubleshooting approach, technicians can pinpoint the source of the issue, whether it's a faulty sensor, clogged oil passages, or a malfunctioning control valve. Additionally, implementing preventive maintenance practices will enhance engine longevity and performance. By attending to these aspects, vehicle owners and technicians alike can mitigate future issues, ensuring that the Honda Accord runs smoothly and efficiently. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.